Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on the top 5 robots in 2023. Where we delve into the futuristic realm of robotics and explore the top 5 most innovative and impactful robots of 2023. The world of robotics is an ever-evolving frontier. In this presentation, we will uncover the cutting-edge creations that promise to revolutionize various aspects of our lives in the coming year. First up on our list is the remarkable Amazon Astro. An extraordinary household robot designed to offer a helping hand in our daily lives. This delightful creation is not just a typical robot, it's your personal assistant, watchdog, and playmate all rolled into one. Equipped with the ever-reliable Alexa, Astro can be effortlessly commanded through voice control. Astro's potential knows no bounds, from managing deliveries to safeguarding your home and engaging your little ones with entertaining games. Though still under development, this marvelous invention is bound to become a pivotal convenience for busy families, redefining the concept of home assistance. Next, we have the remarkable Spot Mini, a quadruped robot masterfully crafted by the brilliant minds at Boston Dynamics. Engineered for both indoor and outdoor use, Spot Mini boasts unparalleled versatility and endurance. With the capacity to carry a staggering 100 pounds and move at speeds of up to 4 miles per hour. This awe-inspiring creation is currently in demand by industry giants like Amazon and Google for groundbreaking research and development. Moreover, Spot Mini exhibits vast potential in applications ranging from search and rescue missions to efficient package deliveries, revolutionizing how we interact with our environments. Now, prepare to be charmed by the enchanting Lovett, a captivating social robot that provides genuine companionship. Resembling a cuddly and endearing creature, Lovett boasts a soft body capable of expressing emotions through various sounds and facial expressions. Though still in development, Lovett has already captivated the hearts of many consumers with its undeniable charisma. Ideal for those seeking a furry companion without the commitment of a natural pet, Lovett's unique blend of technology and emotional intelligence sets a new standard for interactive robotics. Our fourth contender is the versatile Inabatibo X, a compact and portable robot designed to follow you around while capturing cherished moments through pictures and videos. Featuring a built-in high-resolution camera and a 1080p display, Ebo X offers a remarkable means to immortalize memories and effortlessly share them with friends and family. Moreover, its potential goes beyond mere entertainment, as it can serve as a reliable security companion, vigilantly monitoring your home while you're away, granting you peace of mind like never before. Last but certainly not least, meet the adorable P-Toy Bitil, a marvel in robotic engineering aimed at replicating the charm and behavior of a real dog. Watch in amazement as Bitil walks, runs, and even plays fetch, resembling the lovable characteristics of a true canine friend. Although still in development, P-Toy Bitil has already stirred excitement among pet enthusiasts worldwide, offering an enchanting option for those seeking low maintenance yet affectionate companionship. And there you have it, the top 5 robots of 2023. Each representing a unique blend of innovation and purpose. From the multifunctional household assistant Amazon Astro to the emotionally intelligent Lovett, and from the versatile Spot Mini to the memory-preserving Nabbit Ebo X, and not forgetting the endearing robotic pet Petoy Bitil, these creations showcase the limitless possibilities of modern robotics. As we embark on the journey of the future, let us remember that these are but the first steps toward a world where intelligent machines coexist harmoniously with humanity. These robots, available in various price ranges, cater to diverse needs and interests, bringing us closer to a world where science fiction becomes an everyday reality. Thank you for joining us today in this thrilling exploration of robotics' latest frontiers. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all the groundbreaking technological developments. And for those intrigued by these incredible creations, we encourage you to research thoroughly and find the robot that best suits your needs and aspirations. We're eager to hear your thoughts on these fascinating robots. Which one excites you the most, and what do you envision for the future of robotics? Share your opinions and dreams in the comments section below. Let's engage in an inspiring discussion, and shape the path to a more extraordinary and automated world. Thank you for watching and being part of this incredible journey.